Hey guys, I'm very excited today because I have just received my Apple Watch Series 7. This one is midnight color. I have always bought space gray, but for this year it's midnight. I like this color because I can use any bands with that. I have also bought these two sport loop bands. They look really good, so let's see how they look with the watch. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. Prices start from $369 for the 41mm and £399 for the 45mm GPS version. This one here is the 45mm. Okay, in the box is the watch in this nice case, some warranty info but no stickers, and the USB-C charger. And here's the band. Let's turn it on, and while it completes the setup, let's talk about what's different this year. Not much has changed this time around. It's the same design, same heart rate monitor, ECG and blood oxygen as on the Series 6. Basically, it's the same watch with larger and tougher display. The display now wraps around the edges, so it covers more area as compared to the Series 6. The crystal is 50% more stronger, so overall the watch is much more durable. I've been using Apple Watches for the last few years and I have never had any problems, but it's good to know it's even better now. The always on display is brighter now. Series 6 is already great, but this is better now. But brightness level when you are using the watch is still the same. The watch now has IP6X dust resistance ratings, and it's already 50-meter water resistant, so you can go swimming with it, no problems at all. I've been showering with my Series 6 almost every day and it still rocks. The watch now charges 33% faster with its included USB-C cable. It fully charges in 1 hour, and 8 minutes of charging gives you 8 hours of sleep time. You can also use the older charger, but that will charge at slower speeds. This year there are two new watch faces that are not available on older models. One is called Contour. It looks really nice as it wraps around the edges. The numbers get bigger or smaller according to the time. The other one is World Time. You can change settings, you can change the complications around this. They both look really nice. Also, there is this new keyboard that you could use to reply to text or emails. It's really nice actually. I can type really quickly. I like this, but in the long run I'm not sure I'm going to be using it, but from time to time it should be okay. I really like it. And finally, you can set multiple timers on the watch, so that's really great. You can select any of these, or you can customize these. So I'll just select a few of these here. So as you can see, all of them are working. So that's really great. There you go guys, that's Apple Watch Series 7. Is it worth upgrading if you already have Series 6? It really depends on what you want from the watch. Do you want a bigger screen? If that's the case, then yeah, go ahead. The bigger screen does really matter. It's only a slight increase, but when you're using it, it really matters. It's really nice. So if you have an older watch like Series 5 or even Series 4, even then I don't think you need to upgrade it just yet. Maybe wait for one more year. The features on Series 4 and 5 and 6 are similar to this. They all have the heart rate sensor, which is the main thing. ECG, normally not many people use that. So it really depends on what you want. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.